4 viewers and 3. 2 minutes more, guys. 2 minutes. And I will end the live na. Thank you talaga sa 2 minutes more. 2 minutes more. Sakit ng aking likod. Sakit talaga aking likod. Parang ano siya, naninigas na masakit. Ang ngipin ko na wala na ang sakit. Iniinuman ko ng ano. Kasi namamaga yung wisdom tooth. Namamaga siya kaya ininuman ko ng antibiotic. Bahala na siya. 4 viewers. Hello sa 5 viewers. Thank you po. Sige, talaga ng likod ko. 5 viewers, shout out. Ipa mas. Tulog na si Dodong. Bye-bye po. I will end the live na. I will end the live na po kasi it's mag 3 AM na. Kung hindi ako makatulog ngayon, mag 4 AM, gising pa ako. Dilat na dilat pa. Hindi naman ako uminom ng kape. Wala naman akong iniinom. Na kahit anong hindi makatulog. Pero hindi pa din. Kailangan ko talagang mag-ano. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin sa mga taong oo nga, parang zombie na ako. Malapit na ako maging zombie. Pico Side, shout out. Have you heard the song from Hero Tungkiya? Hay nako. Pico Side, you're always like that. Hay nako. Thank you, Pico Side, for the like. Pico Side, are you still in Australia or in California right now? Pico Side. California, Australia. Sakit na aking likod. I came to California, then went to Mexico, then back to California. I came to California, then went to Mexico, then back to California. So you're very laagan, because you're very laagan. Please like and share from Sir Romel. Thank you po, sir. Hi, good girl are okay. I'm good, girl. I'm good. Masakit lang ang likod. Because bababay na ako. You're so late coming. Because you're late. I will end the live na because it's 3 AM here. Kailangan mong sandalan para sa likod mo. Kaya nga, mag-in ako ng live, sir. Kasi sobrang sakit ng likod ko. Mexico is like 3 hours drive from my home, South Las Vegas. Nevada, 3 hours from my home. Okay. I don't know because I didn't, to America. I don't know. Thank you, thank you, because for visiting. Thank you so much. And I will end the live na. Thank you. I will end the live na because it's 3 AM. Bye-bye. Listen to the song. Hero Tongkiya. Hay nako. Hero. Sige, baka manigas yung sobrang puyat at pagod. Sige, baka manigas. Ano yun? Hero Tongkiya. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye, guys.